3M 9Q series 100 gig QSFP28 direct attach copper cable assemblies leverage 3M's Twin Axial Cable technology to provide up to 100 gigabits per second of aggregate bandwidth on a flexible, passive copper cable ideal for use with servers, switches, storage appliances, and other high-speed equipment. The 9Q series can be tightly folded or bent with minimal performance impact, simplifying routing and cable rack management. The thin and flat cables also minimize airflow obstructions to improve cooling performance. 3M's 9Q series is designed to support multiple industry protocols, including 100 gig Ethernet, with 4 channels operating at up to 25 gigabits per second. Assemblies are available based on 30 gauge or 26 gauge cables and with standard assembly lengths from 0.5 to 4 meters.